Hi Neet Aspirants, welcome to Vari Medical Academy. Vari Medical Academy சார்பாக அனைத்து விதமான டாபிக் சார்ந்த ஒவ்வொரு வீடியோவும் இனி வரும் நாட்களில் உங்களுக்கு வரும். உங்களுக்கு இதை சார்ந்த சந்தேகங்கள், கேள்விகள் எதுவாக இருந்தாலும் கமெண்ட்ஸில் பாஸ் பண்ணுங்க. எங்கள் எக்ஸ்பர்ட் ஃபேக்கல்ட்டி மெம்பர்ஸ் போடுற வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அந்த வீடியோ ரெகுலராக உங்களுக்கு வரணும்னா சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. தேங்க்யூ. Wish you all the best.
So welcome students. Today we are going to discuss about crystal field splitting in octahedral complex. Okay. So crystal field splitting in octahedral complexes. So in previous classes we have discussed about what are the octahedral complexes. So in coordination chemistry we are dealing only 3 polyhedra. Okay. So that one is coordination number for 4. So there are 2 polyhedra is there. One is tetrahedral and another one is square planar. So in other one, coordination number 6, that is nothing but it will be octahedral. Okay. So in this octahedral complexes, the coordination number must be 6. Okay. So the central metal ion, which is in complex form. So this is metal ion. Okay. It must be 6 ligands. It must be with 6 ligands. Okay, one. So it is general plus or minus any its oxidation state. Okay, one. So this is octahedral complexes. In here, the d orbital of metal includes 5 suborbitals. So one is dxy, dyz, dxz, dx squared minus y square, dz square. So there are 5 suborbitals in d orbital. So these 5 d orbitals are degenerate orbitals. Degenerate orbital is nothing but the orbitals, the 5 orbitals having same energy. That state of the d orbital can be named as degenerate orbital. It will not only for d orbital. We can say about p orbital and f orbital, so on. Okay. So the fact is that orbital must have the all suborbitals in same energy level. Okay. So that state can be reiterated as degenerate orbital. Okay. So this degeneracy has been collapsing by the involvement of ligand. Okay. So how the complexes are made? This is nothing but the metal ion is there. The ligands are making coordinate bond with metal. So it is the bond type is what? Coordinate bond. Okay, dative bond. We can name it as dative bond also, because that bond is nothing but the donation of pair of electron from only one group or one atom, and which results to make a bond between 2 atoms. Okay, 2 atoms are between 2 groups. So that is named to be dative bond. Okay, so here also same type of bonding will be explained here. So in metal atom or metal ion, all suborbitals are having same energy, so that orbitals can be named as degenerate orbitals. So this is here there is no involvement of ligand. When the ligands are interacting with the metal ion and metal atom, then the episode of this crystal field splitting will be witnessed. Okay. So see, so the metal ion is like here. So ligands are approached, 6 ligands are approached to this metal ion or metal atom, whatever it can be in any state. So if there is no any oxidation state, that will be named as metal ion. If there is any oxidation state, that is metal ion. Okay. So here the metal will be in spherical. So here the interaction of metal ligand, which results the splitting in d orbital of metal. Okay. So splitting is happening like this. Okay. So here there are 6 ligands are interacting with metal ion. Okay. So in this metal ion experiencing repulsion from the electron cloud from ligand and the electron cloud from metal. So electron repulsion resulting this splitting. So in octahedral complexes, okay. So see, this is degenerate orbitals of, this is degenerate orbital of metal ion, okay. Once it is interacted with the ligand, okay, the energy level must be increased. This one Vari center. So Vari center is nothing but the spherical field of ligand, okay. So the metal ion experiencing its interaction with the ligand in spherical. So that center named to be Vari center. After that splitting is witnessed. Okay, so this one we can erase. Here splitting is the d orbitals of metal ion get splitted into two sections. One is T2G and another one is EG. G means Geroid, the symmetry, orbital symmetry. Geroid is explaining about the symmetry of orbitals. Okay, so here there are two sets of d orbital will be splitting. So one is the lower energy T2G level and another one is EG, that is maximum energy. So the energy gap between these two sets named to be crystal field splitting energy. That energy is nothing but crystal field splitting energy or stabilization energy. In some extent they used to name as stabilization energy. Okay. So the set of d orbital which having three symmetrical or three degenerate orbitals T2G named as T2G, which is lower energy, and another two suborbitals having one set EG, that is higher energy level. Okay, so here the metal ion with the no influence of ligand, here somewhat influence with ligand, after it is get splitted. Okay, so there are two set of degenerate orbital we are getting. Degeneracy means this set having same energy and another set, this set having same energy. Okay, so the degeneracy is nothing but same energy level suborbitals. So this is T2G and this one EG. Okay, so this is the splitting in octahedral complexes, and next class we are going to discuss about tetrahedral complexes. Okay, thank you.